Don't put tape in here though, because we
Oh,
want that to
tape
be-
covering this?
Yeah,
That's a good idea.
and
So it
these,
sticks.
and these.
So that way the glue sticks to the plastic instead of to paint.
Yeah,
So it stays on there.
yeah. Basically that.
I like that idea. Let's do it.
Okay. Bouncy ball.
I think you'll be fine if you touch it. Because it's like, it's not completely dry, but it's not going to come off on your finger.
Okay.
Do you like my new yellow stain?
Oh. I am still really impressed that you build this bench.
Oh my gosh, thank you, buddy. I'm impressed that you're so polite.
You need to take that. What's that? In the inside, will it be yellow? Because I kind of want it to be yellow inside.
No, it's going to be white.
Oh.
So, I guess it doesn't fit Game Boy games though.